Hi guys, you want to make some of this delicious Chinese chicken cutlet, or what you call it, katsu. Wow, this is made in the air fryer. Very easy and simple recipe. If you want to learn how to make this, continue watching this video. Let's check this out guys. Let's hear that crispiness. Ooh, shaky table. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that guys. From the air fryer. Very healthy. Very tasty. Not much oil. This is how you're gonna eat it guys. So get your favorite sauce. I love it with some sweet chili sauce. Drizzle it all around. Boom. Easy, fast lunch. Hey guys, check that out. Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be making some chicken cutlet, chicken katsu in the air fryer. I'll show you guys my style, how I do the chicken cutlet. Okay, so here I've got some chicken breast. Defrosted some chicken breast, and yeah, I'm just gonna slice this in half. Okay. Inside still a bit frozen. I was defrosting this in some water. Yeah, so just cut it in half like this. Okay. Making this for my lunch. Very easy recipe guys. Okay. To your desired size, and then just get your hammer and just smash it up. Just beat the meat up. This will widen up the patty. Okay, as you can see, very easy. There we go. And now just get your little bucket here. Put your meat, chicken breast, inside this bowl. Then now we can marinate it. Okay, first I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. Okay. Next I'll sprinkle some white pepper. Okay. Also sprinkle some black pepper. That should be good enough. Next I'll add in a teaspoon of chicken powder, chicken bouillon powder. And I'll add in some sugar. I'll add in 1 teaspoon of sugar is enough. Okay, now we can also add in our sauces. So sauces, I'll add in some oyster sauce. Just give it a quick drizzle around. If you like a lot of oyster sauce, just put a lot, but you just need to give it a little bit. Next, I'll add in, I'll drizzle some sesame oil all around. Pour in a little bit of Chinese rice wine. I'll drizzle it with some olive oil. And lastly, some soy sauce, light soy sauce. Okay, so I'm also gonna crack in 1 egg. Okay, now I'm just gonna get some plastic gloves just to mix it up. I've got my plastic glove. Just give a quick mix. Mix up that egg and all that stuff, all that delicious Chinese spices and sauces. Okay. After you give that a good mix, we can add in some cornstarch. So as you can see, there's a lot of liquid here, so just add enough cornstarch so it can thicken up the sauce, so it can stick onto the chicken. So first I'm going to add in add in 2 teaspoons. Okay, give that a quick mix. You don't want it to be too thick of a sauce because we'll be what do you call this? Putting it in. We'll be covering it, coating it with some breadcrumbs, Panko breadcrumbs. So yeah. Okay, 2 teaspoons look like it's good enough. As you can see. Okay, now we'll just let this marinate for about 10 minutes. Then we can cover it with we can coat it with some Panko breadcrumbs or whatever breadcrumbs you have, and then we can put it into the air fryer. Okay guys, so let's coat our chicken breast. So this is going to be a bit messy. So here I got some Panko breadcrumbs here. I put it all to the side on my plate first. So I'm going to dip it here, and then I'm just going to cover it with some Panko breadcrumbs. Okay. Just flat out. Make sure to cover it fully with some delicious breadcrumbs. Okay. That out, dump it on top. Flip it around. Just use your hand, just flatten it. Make sure all the Panko breadcrumbs stick onto the chicken breast. Okay, that's good. As you can see. Now you can just put it onto your other plate. Okay, now just put back all the other breadcrumbs one side. Looks like I need more breadcrumbs. Okay, the next one. Dumping our breadcrumbs on top. Good press. Okay, it's done. Okay, the final piece. I don't want to waste breadcrumbs, so I'll just put it on first. Yeah. Okay, add more breadcrumbs. Flatten it out. Okay guys, just like that. Now we can pop these into the air fryer. Okay guys, so this is my Philips air fryer. So let me just pop my chicken cutlets into them. Stack it nicely. Give it some good spacing. Okay, just leave it like this. Okay, now just gonna get some olive oil spray here. Give it a good spray. Okay, now pop it in. Okay, now I'm on the chicken mode on my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna do these for about 10 minutes first. Okay, we'll check on them just now. Okay guys, 10 minutes is up. Let's check these out. Oh, looking good. But it looks like it needs more oil. I think that spray is not enough. As you can see, it's very crispy. Look at that. Okay, flip this around. Okay, now I got some olive oil. Just drizzle it with some olive oil around it. Okay, let's just even it out. You can hear that crispiness, guys. Healthy and crispy. Okay, let's pop these back in for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, 10 minutes is up. Let's check these out. Wow, look at that. Golden crispy, guys. It's ready. Wow, look at that. It's time to plate these up, guys. Wow, look at how golden crispy. Let's check. Wow, you hear that, guys? Ooh, look at that. Made some rice here. Wow. Easy, simple, delicious recipe, guys. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Yummy. Okay guys, let me just taste some of this. What I've just made. Wow, very crispy. Taste some of that. Put in some sweet chili sauce. Check that out. Guys, tasty, delicious. Make sure to give this recipe a try and let me know how it went. Thanks guys for watching.